Hey guys, so come unbox and review this ceramic table lamps with me. These come with 2 lamps and they are a ceramic lamp body. They have a high quality metal base, a rotary switch, and a USB A plus a USB C port. So I'm super excited to review these. These are so beautiful and it comes with this instruction manual. So let's build these. So these were super easy to build. First, you need to install the base for the little light bulb, and it was super easy, and it comes with everything you need to install these. I literally built the lamps in under, I would say, 10 minutes. And first you need to build the lamps, and then you need to do this for the little lamp shield. Super easy. Literally took me no time at all. And this is how the lamps look finally built. And I absolutely love how these lamps look in my room. And I love that you have different light temperatures you can switch to. And this just gives a whole vibe to my room that's super warm and cozy. And I absolutely love the ceramic design these have. And this is how you can see the warm light, the natural light, and the daylight switching. I absolutely love the 3 temperatures. And this is where the lamp has a USB A plus USB C port. Right now I'm just plugging my phone in the lamp so you guys could see that it does work. So guys, overall final thoughts, honest review. I think these lamps are great. They're super pretty, and I love that it has the port so you don't have a ton of cables in your nightstand. These look really pretty. They're really high quality. They look great, and they're super easy to turn on and off. So guys, if you were interested in getting these lamps, I would totally recommend them.